अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ पैसेजेस शेयर किए थे और एसेज भी मोस्टली शेयर कर लिए थे। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ ऐसे शेयर करूँगी एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सेल फ़ोन। पहले भी एक बार शेयर किया था लेकिन ये प्रीवियस वाले से डिफरेंट है, तो मैंने कहा आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर लूँ। तो चलते हैं हम अपने ऐसे की तरफ। फर्स्ट पे कोटेशन है, टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ अ यूजफुल सर्वेंट बट अ डेंजरस मास्टर। मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ अ गुड टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ नॉट लैकिंग फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ्स। दिस रिपोर्ट विल डिस्कस द advantages and disadvantages of using mobile phones. Today mobile phone has become popular to everybody since it is very convenient. The most ये मोस्ट आप लोग कट कर दें और लिख दें दी एडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग अ मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ यू कैन कम्युनिकेट टू योर फैमिली एंड योर फ्रेंड्स no matter what where you are. Cell phones are so convenient that they are an inconvenience. For instance, you can contact easily to your friends by calling or sending messages everywhere without electricity. It is maybe the main reason why almost all people today choose to own a mobile phone. Mobiles made our life easier. It is a great source of entertainment. We can play so many games on it. Smartphone is definitely smarter than us to be able to keep us addicted to it. Mobile phone has some advantages and disadvantages for youth in society. The new mobile phone have big storage which can store a lot of data in GB. Students can store their data information, books, magazines, assignments, etc. Different kinds of language, dictionaries, translators and other learning applications available in the Play Store of mobile phones. Cell phones are not a sign of power, they are a sign of subservience. Mobile phones are the best source of communication nowadays. Before the mobile phones, communication is very hard for people. People write letters and send them to other places by people. It was very difficult for people to communicate with other people from different places. One of the best benefit of having a mobile phone is it saves a life in an emergency. If someone got an accident in a way to go somewhere, then he she can use a mobile phone for contacting someone for help. Cell phones are the latest invention in rudeness. Due to mobile phones, you cannot miss any moment to capture. People using their mobile phones for capturing the environment anywhere and share it with their friends and relatives, and also they can share it on social media platforms. One of the best benefit of the new mobile phones has it gives you information about your current location and destination. A mobile phone needs a manual in the way that a teacup does not. New mobile phones can access the internet. The broadband internet connection becomes old nowadays. People refer to 3G, 4G, and upcoming 5G internet speed. Mobile phones are also a digital personal assistant. Mobile phones have the feature of having flashlights. It becomes very helpful for people. A smartphone is an addictive device which traps a soul into a lifeless planet full of lives. Mobile phones has a calculator feature. Anywhere if you want to calculate something, bills, taxes, invoice, etc., you can use your mobile for the calculation. There is no need to keep a calculator with yourself. Before mobile phones, people used to keep contact diaries for saving the contact numbers of people. Nowadays, mobile phone saves a lot of contact number easily. Through mobile phones, you can easily access your bank's account, check your account status, transfer money to other accounts. There is no need to go to the bank branches. You can do all kind of financial activities through your mobile phone. As long as you have a cell phone, you are never alone. Mobile phone have the internet accessing capabilities. Students from anywhere, they can easily access different kinds of educational websites through the internet on their mobile phones. Also, there is a lot of educational applications that can be installed on mobile phone, by which students can easily get help and collect the relevant information. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, it is the illusion of knowledge. All people know about the advantages and benefits of using mobile phones, but they do not know its bad effects on their life. Mostly the too much use of mobile phone causes isolation in the people. They always trying to use mobile all the time and did not want to go outside and meet with their family members, relatives and loved ones. Excess of everything is bad. Mobile phones are one of the most distracting things nowadays. People use mobile phones while working, eating, studying, talking to others, and also in driving. They use mobile phones and talking to others. Mobile phones, most of the road accidents happen due to the use of mobile phones while driving. Using mobile phones too much can put someone's life in danger. Home is where the heart is, but today the phone is where the heart is. Nowadays, mobile phones are the main thing of wasting money on buying and using new and costly mobiles. Mobile phones is the new trend of fashion. Every second person want to buy new and costly mobile phones. Recently in America, people even sell their kidneys for buying a new model of iPhone. People also waste their money on paying the charges of internet packages and other kind of service packages. To every advantage there is a corresponding disadvantage. The excessive use of mobile phone causes addiction to mobile phones. Most people get addicted to the use of mobile phones. They always want to use mobile phones in their sleeping time. In the night they are stuck to their mobile phone screens and doing different activities on their mobile phones. They're trying to fall asleep but their mobile phone stuck them to use it. Mobile phone disturb a lot of sleeping routine of the people. Our phone falls, we panic, our friend fall, we laugh. Nowadays cheating on mobile phone is a common thing. Cheating on mobile phone is the most happening thing. People use mobile phone to communicate and lie to each other. Every second person lie to other people while talking on mobile phone, which is a fraud and cheating and make the people liar. People used mobile phones to contact and communicate with other people and cheat their couple partners. Most of the relationships broke due to the use of mobile phones. I finally realized that people are prisoners of their phones. That's why it is called a cell phone. Most the accidents happen due by the use of mobile phone for watching videos, pictures, social media, etc. Even in driving a car or walking on roads, they are stuck in using their mobile phones. Using mobile phones in during driving cause accident. They can injure themselves and also but put someone else in danger or kill other people by car accidents. Your cell phone has already replaced your camera, your calendar, and your alarm clock. Don't let it replace your family. The excessive use of mobile phone is one of the biggest disadvantage for students. Mobile phone mostly affect the study of the student. They always want to use mobile phone for playing video games, watching video and movies, listening to music, scrolling social media timeline and waste their precious time. If the mobile phone not used properly and carefully, it also cause distance from friends, relatives and family members. A smartphone is an addictive device which trap a soul into a lifeless planet full of lives. I observe the friends and family members are sitting in a coffee shop and stuck to their mobile phone screens and not talking to each other. Even a couple use mobile phone in their free time and not give time to each other, which may cause distance in their relationship. The excessive use of mobile phone caused the eye swelling problem. Most of the people got the eyesight problem by the excessive use of mobile phone. When people start to marry their apps, we will suddenly realize that technology has gone too far. Mobile phones also caused mental disorders like anxiety, anger, depression, tension, etc. Cyber cell phone dependency is now called compulsive communicating chain dialers call continually to get another fix. As all kind of things that belong to this world have the advantages and disadvantages, same as mobile phone have their advantages and disadvantages, but again all is depending on the user that how they used their mobile phones. Through this article I am trying to inform all the people about the advantage and disadvantage of using mobile phone. Actually, this is a very serious issue nowadays in our society. Using a mobile phone is a new trend in our society. To be happy in this world, first you need a cell phone and then you need an airplane. Then you are truly wireless. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था ऐसे। होप सो आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी और बहुत ही ईजी है ये वर्डिंग बहुत ईजी है, आप लोगों को आसानी से याद हो जाएगा, एग्ज़ाम्स में भूलेगा भी नहीं। तो अगर तो आप लोगों को समझ आ गई है और वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो इजीली आप तक पहुंच सके। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।